When you think of Christmas, the colors that probably come to mind are red, green, gold, and maybe silver. But have you ever considered adding purple to your Christmas decor? Purple is a color that can really make a statement during the holidays, and it's not as common as the traditional hues, which means it offers a fresh, unique take on your holiday decorations. Incorporating purple into your Christmas decor can bring elegance, a touch of mystery, and a rich, regal feel to your home that will leave a lasting impression on anyone who steps through your door. One of the great things about using purple is its versatility. You can pair it with so many other colors to create different moods and styles. For example, a combination of purple and silver is perfect for a modern, sophisticated look. It brings a sleek, cool vibe that's both festive and chic. If you want something a bit more traditional but still unique, try mixing purple with gold. This pairing creates a luxurious, opulent atmosphere that feels warm and inviting while still standing out. Or if you want something bold and dramatic, try a deep, rich purple with black accents. It's unconventional but stunning, giving your space a striking, almost royal appearance. Purple is also perfect if you want to incorporate a little symbolism into your decorations. In history, purple has been associated with royalty, luxury, and wisdom, which can add a deeper meaning to your Christmas decor. It's a color that feels rich and abundant, and during a season where warmth, generosity, and love are celebrated, purple helps embody those feelings. Beyond the obvious associations with royalty, purple also has spiritual undertones, often linked to peace and reflection, which ties beautifully into the reflective and peaceful aspects of the holiday season. If you're wondering how to start incorporating purple into your Christmas decorations, start with the Christmas tree. Purple ornaments, ribbons, and garlands can transform a traditional green tree into something magical. Try mixing different shades of purple, from deep violet to soft lavender, to create depth and interest. You could even add in some silver or gold ornaments to enhance the overall effect. Consider purple fairy lights too. They add a soft glow to the tree, giving it a mystical, magical ambience, especially at night. If you don't want to go all in with a purple tree, try using purple as an accent color. This works especially well if you already have a color scheme in mind, but want to add a touch of something different. You could drape a purple ribbon along the mantel, add purple stockings, or incorporate purple candles into your tablescape. The key is to blend purple seamlessly with the rest of your decor, so it complements rather than overpowers the space. For those of you who like to decorate with wreaths, purple is a stunning choice. A wreath made with a mix of purple ornaments, lavender sprigs, and maybe even some violet berries can make a statement on your front door. If you want to add a bit more depth, include metallic accents like silver or gold to make the wreath pop. Hanging a purple wreath will instantly signal to guests that your home is festive and ready for the holidays, but in a way that feels original and refined. Don't forget the smaller details either. Purple can be woven throughout your home in more subtle ways. Whether it's through throw pillows on your couch, purple napkins at the dining table, or even small decorative accents like purple baubles in a bowl. If you really want to go all out, you can replace your everyday curtains with rich, deep purple ones, giving the entire room a festive, cozy feel. Adding purple candles is another simple way to create a warm, soft glow that brings in a holiday spirit with a little twist. The advantage of using purple is that it feels sophisticated without being overbearing. While red and green are vibrant and festive, purple is a bit more understated, which can be refreshing if you want to steer away from the more traditional color palettes. It offers elegance, but it's still very warm, making it the perfect balance between lively and calm. And because it's not a common color associated with Christmas, it adds a level of intrigue that will certainly catch people's attention. Another benefit of purple is how well it transitions through the winter season. Unlike some Christmas decorations that may feel out of place after December 25th, purple has a timeless appeal that can carry on into January without feeling too overtly holiday. It's a color that works well in winter in general, so you won't feel rushed to take down all your decorations the day after Christmas. It can easily blend with winter themes like snowflakes, pine cones, and frosted accents, giving you more mileage out of your festive decor. Purple also plays well with lighting. If you use purple LED lights, they can give your home an ethereal, almost dreamlike atmosphere that makes the space feel magical, especially during evening gatherings. Imagine a room softly lit with purple lights while the glow of the fireplace flickers in the background. It creates a cozy, enchanting ambience that sets the tone for warm, intimate holiday gatherings. Purple doesn't just add a sense of elegance. It has a calming, soothing quality that can create a peaceful atmosphere during what can often be a hectic holiday season. Amid the hustle and bustle of Christmas preparations, purple can offer a sense of serenity and balance. This can be particularly beneficial in areas of the home where you want to create a more relaxed and intimate setting, like the living room or dining area. Think about using soft purple fabrics, such as velvet or satin cushions, throws, or tablecloths, to bring that calming effect into your space. When it comes to combining purple with natural elements, it pairs beautifully with greenery. Adding touches of purple to garlands, centerpieces, or even floral arrangements can elevate your decor while maintaining a connection to nature. A centerpiece of pine branches, purple ornaments, and white candles creates a festive yet tranquil setting for your holiday dinner table. If you like adding natural elements like pine cones, you can spray them with a bit of metallic purple paint to tie them into the rest of your decor, adding a subtle artistic touch that feels cohesive. For those who enjoy DIY projects, purple offers plenty of creative opportunities. You could handcraft your own ornaments by painting baubles in different shades of purple, adding glitter or metallic accents for that extra sparkle. Making your own purple-themed Christmas cards or gift tags is another fun way to incorporate the color into your celebrations. Personalizing these small details with purple not only adds to the aesthetic of your home, but also makes your holiday gatherings feel more thoughtful and coordinated. Another great way to use purple in your holiday decor is through wrapping paper and gift presentation. Instead of the usual reds and greens, go for purple wrapping paper, paired with silver or gold ribbons. This little shift will make your gifts stand out under the tree and bring the whole room together in a unified color scheme. It's those small, consistent details that make purple such a striking color choice. It's unexpected but seamlessly ties everything together. If you have a fireplace, hanging purple stockings can bring a modern twist to this classic decoration. Pair them with a garland woven with purple lights or ornaments, and you'll have a mantel that looks festive yet distinctly different from the typical holiday setup. The glow from purple lights can be mesmerizing, especially when paired with the warmth of a crackling fire. One of the biggest advantages of using purple is that it works for a variety of decor styles. Whether your home is minimalist, modern, rustic, or traditional, purple can be adapted to suit your aesthetic. For modern homes, sleek purple accents paired with metallic finishes add a refined, contemporary feel. For more traditional spaces, deep purples mixed with rich fabrics and warm lighting create a cozy, regal atmosphere. And if you prefer a rustic style, lighter shades of purple, like lavender, combined with natural textures like wood and burlap, can bring a soft, country charm to your holiday decorations. As you experiment with purple in your Christmas decor, you'll find that it's a color that encourages creativity. Because it's not commonly used, you have more room to play with ideas that are outside the box. Whether you're using it as an accent or the main color, purple brings a unique, refreshing twist to traditional Christmas decorations, allowing you to express your personal style in a way that feels both festive and individual. So if you're looking to refresh your holiday decor this year, consider giving purple a try. It's elegant, versatile, and offers a fresh take on the traditional holiday palette. Whether you're looking to create a sophisticated, modern look or add a touch of royalty to your home, purple can help you make a statement that's both festive and unforgettable.